Welcome to Drops of Elite. So today we're talking about this AI airdrop called the hub.xyz. So now in this video I'll be showing you the step-by-step on how to do this particular AI airdrop. So please, if today is your first time joining us or you are yet to subscribe to our new channel, please you do it to support us by subscribing to our channel. So in this video we're walking you through all you need to know about this particular airdrop. So just go over to the link there in the description, click on it, and then you follow along. Now once you click on the link, you're going to get to this page. Now here we are to sign up using our X. Okay, so you click on this. Once you click on it, you are going to be taken to your X. Okay, click on here. Now you'll be taken to your X for you to authorize your X. Okay, once you're done with the authorization, then next you'll also be taken to your Discord. So you click on it, then you have to authorize your Discord as well too. So once you are done with the signing up, now this is the main dashboard after you are done with the signing up. Now what we do here is that we train AI. So once you come over to this place, you click on this train the AI. So once you click on it, you're going to be taken to the Discord page. Okay, so now this is the Discord page. So now here in the Discord, what we do here is that we answer questions. Okay, so the way we train this AI is that questions are being thrown to us and then we provide answers to these questions. So when we give answers, we are being awarded marks. We're being awarded scores based on the quality of questions that we supply to the AI. Okay, so that's how we train this AI. So by doing this, we earn points. Okay, so now you come over to this place. You have to answer all the questions. Okay, so now once you click on this here, with these questions is what we are to answer. Now this particular question, once you come over here, you can just copy it. What I do is that I just go over to copy the question, and then I head over to ChatGPT for it to provide the quality answers for me. Okay, so you just copy the question, head over to ChatGPT here, paste your question here, retouch it and ensure that it gives you natural answers. Okay, then come back here and then you paste it here and then submit the answers. Okay, so that's how we train this AI. Now coming over back to this their dashboard. Okay, here there are other couple of questions that you have to answer as well, so you ensure that you answer all these questions. Okay, as you do that, points are being given to you. So you just come over here to answer the question, just click on reply. You will then be taken to the Discord page for you to provide answers to it. So ensure you answer all these questions. Right now, next you can also just come over to this reward section. Now here in this reward section, here it is the place that you have to come over and claim all your points. Okay, so once you advance to the next level, ensure that you come over here to claim your point. Okay, so come over here, ensure that you claim your points. You have to click on this and then click on the next one for you to be able to claim your points. Okay, so after that you advance to the next level. Now next you can also do this to come over to here. So now in this place here, here you are to copy your referral code and also refer to your friends. So as you refer to your friends, you also earn more points as well too. Okay, so ensure you do these things. So this is what this AI is all about. Okay, you provide answer and then points are being given to you. So that's how we train this particular AI. So it's a very good one to join. Okay, so please, that's all for this particular video. So if you have any question, please you do it to ask there in the comment section. Ensure you also follow them here in the Twitter so that you can also see what they are doing. Okay, so please support us by subscribing to our new channel. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you so much.